ano na niya magda-down dyan.
Down ka na lang. Okay.
Yulina. Let it fly! Let it fly!
Yan.
Let it fly!
Yes. Yes! Magwawa ka! Team Maloy! Magwawa ka yung bangs! Core memory ko, bangs ni Ate Maloy nakalhati na lang kanina nung natapatan ng electric fan. I didn't like it. Ayoko. Hindi, ang galing mo mag-post na hanggang nito. Sabi talaga tawa ko, be. You made me happy.
Yun yung role ko sa buhay. That's my purpose in life, to give happiness and joy and brightness.
All for me. What are you gonna share? What you guys want?
Share with the audience.
Yeah. Say right now. Say
Diyo parang kumabalala yung baba mo.
Bawa ka yung bangs! Timer starts now!
Wala akong may hairstyle dito. Guys, ayaw na ni Mix. I think she... Mix, gusto mo stylean na lang natin sarili. Sarili natin. Sige. Duo kami ni Mix, ha? So, maibig isa sa amin, maibig kami dalawa.
Okay, isipin nyo guys ha. Pink is my favorite color.
Kailangan ba?
Isipin, guys, daming pink, ang daming mga rainbows.
Pink, sit down.
On sa side.
Yung episode ko, maglalaro kayo ng volleyball, ah.
Ay, parang may winner.
Gusto mo ng pink, di ba, Steph?
Oo.
Sa likod na lang para hindi kita.
Team pa isa. Gusto ko yung parang mga trolls na hair.
Gusto ko rin maging cute.
Parang ano to?
Parang nagkasabing cute ka.
Level of the game. So, right now, interviewin ko si Mika. What's your inspiration sa iyong hairstyle?
My inspiration is Ate Colette.
Why? Oh, you guys are duo?
Yes.
Kambal kami.
So when you take us out, we're both out.
Oh!
May kwento to.
Oh, what's the story behind your
Hindi
hairstyle?
hairstyle. Kambal kasi kami. Eh, nung nagpa-ultrasound, isa lang nakita heartbeat. So, hindi sila prepared na lumabas
hindi kayo
ako.
pwede
So, hindi kami magkamukha.
Anong pangalan ng hairstyle nyo?
Ano ba? Hindi ako creative eh. Ikaw na
Kambal
lang ang
Karibal.
pangalan. Kambal Karibal.
Kambal Karibal, okay.
Mara Clara.
Para ka.
Agua Bendita.
Okay.
Hindi, Karamia. Sino na sa likod?
Oo naman. Okay, our next contestant, what's your name?
Hi, is Puka. I'm Pookie. Wookie, Lookie.
P-O-O-K-E.
P-O-O-K-I-E. Meet Puka. I am Pookie from a different country. As you can see, I have symmetrical design. And then one, like Jenny, because I know Jenny, and hold this for me. Stako is our hairstylist.
Puka, stay there.
Ito, what do you need when you hairstyle us? Tell me.
Sanrio?
Wow! I also have. Wow! I have colored. What else?
Hairspray, brush.
I have one more.
And I need headband.
That's it.
A lot! Okay, thank you so much, Pookie. Okay, go, Jo. Ay! Okay. Okay. You can do better than that, Jo. More. I need more. Last pose. Last pose. Umupo ka. Umupo ka. Dali na! Ay, ang cute kay Ate Maloy. Hinilig siya. Guys, pwede nyo tulungan si Joanna. Okay lang kahit hindi sa mismong buhok. Pwede nyo rin ilagay yung ribbon ng ano. Dito, Jo, pwede mong ilagay yung mga ribbon dito sa ano mo.
Okay na siya, Be. Huwag mo nang ano mo.
Gusto mo ng pink? Gusto mo ng pink?
Ay, ang cute ni Ate Maloy. Ang cute! Parang ano,
Parang hindi ako makapili, lahat sila winner.
Tanggalin na ako. Guys, tanggalin niyo ako ha. Basta joke talaga pag natanggap pa ako sa next round.
what if cute ka talaga?
Para ako may kuto.
Ay, sumali.
Napabobo ako eh, wait lang.
Gusto manalo ni Gwen ngayon na papanalo. Hindi mo yung napanalo. Bahala kapag
So cute, bebe.
Thank you. Thank you, Bebe. Wala na.
Ay, okay na.
Ate mo sobrang
Wow, ayaw magpatalo ni Jo.
Ate Jo, parang OA na.
Honestly, weakness ko yan. Lahat ng, ewan ko lahat ng anything about art, mga styling, weakness ko yan. Pero super na-enjoy ko naman to.
Pag hindi ako
Jo, hindi na
Ate Maloy, you're so freaking cute.
So cute ni Maloy.
Uy, Uy, sabihin nyo namang cute si Jo.
Yeah, that's fine.
Hirap, pero tanggalin.
Si Maloy, you're so cute.
Thank you.
What do you want? You want more?
Ako na, don't help me.
Yes, because I deserve more. Because I am.
Sinong magsasalita ng masama about sa akin?
Uy! Huwag mo nga!
Ha? Hindi mo ko ipapanalo? Hindi mo ko ipapanalo? Sige! Sige!
Ate Jo, umupo ka na.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're done. Hey, you're so ingay, ah. Okay, so we are done with our first level of the game. So, right now, interviewin ko si Mika. What's your inspiration sa iyong hairstyle?
My inspiration is Ate Colette.
Why? Oh, you guys are duo?
Yes.
Kambal kami.
So when you take us out, we're both out.
Oh!
May kwento to.
Oh, what's the story behind your
Hindi
hairstyle?
hairstyle. Kambal kasi kami. Eh, nung nagpa-ultrasound, isa lang nakita heartbeat. So, hindi sila prepared na lumabas
hindi kayo
ako.
pwede
So, hindi kami magkamukha.
Anong pangalan ng hairstyle nyo?
Ano ba? Hindi ako creative eh. Ikaw na
Kambal
lang ang
Karibal.
pangalan. Kambal Karibal.
Kambal Karibal, okay.
Mara
next.
Clara.
Para ka.
Agua Bendita.
Okay.
Hindi, Karamia. Sino na sa likod?
Oo naman. Okay, our next contestant, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Puka.
Kaya yun yung name ko. Kasi mukha siyang puka.
What's the name of your hairstyle?
The name of my hairstyle is cutie, 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 cutie. It's
10 times cutie?
no, it's 13.
Oh, it's
Your birthday.
Yeah.
13 cutie, pigtails, and I have a gift for you. Yeah, so as you can see, I have this all pink. Pero of course, syempre, I want us to merge, to collide. So I put different colors behind there. As you can see, there is pink inside, but there is different colors because I want us to merge. I want
Ikaw may birthday.
Tuti, mabuhay! Hi, I'm Joanna.
Hi, I'm Aya.
And we are
Joanna.
We are Joanna from Beanie! Yes, for today we're gonna try
A bunch of food
Yes,
that I
I'm
see
so
on the
excited.
side. Yes.
Let's go!
Oh, the classic.
Oh my
It
god.
is the
Famous
how do you say this?
kanafu.
Kanaf.
Philippines means we say kanafi. No?
It's
So the right pronunciation is
Is what?
kunafa.
Kunafa.
Kunafa. Kunafa.
It's-
Kunafa.
if you don't know, you're shy
Oh
to
my
say.
God. I can eat
Okay,
all of
let's
this.
open. Oh, you rip it off. I'm scared to rip it off.
Oh my gosh, it's so satisfying.
Do you take a bite or do you break it?
ASMR.
You want to take a bite, or do you want to break it? I'll break it. Ooh! Cheers! Ay, faster! Let's go! Let's go! I want to eat it. Okay, cheers! Mmm. I like the inside.
I love it.
Do you like the chocolate more or the pistachio?
Pistachio.
I like both at the same time, but like I love pistachios, so my bias is the pistachio.
The last time I ate
And the
this
knafa.
was... Did you order last time? When I and Stako order?
No, but I just asked from you. Okay, 1 out of 10.
10!
Wow! Wow, because there are people watching.
No! I love this. I
So
can eat
far?
all of this.
So far, I love it. It's a 10.
This is my dinner. Next na order. Oh, love it.
It's fine. Thank you. Oh, and I like I love it when there's so much texture. That's why I like that. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Give me more. And we're going to do a London accent.
That was supposed to be your Again, it's your Can I answer again? My favorite thing about London is the infrastructures. You know, I love every time we go around here, I would just go look at the window and just be like this. I just love everything about London, the people, the weather. I just love it. I'm about to cry. Thank you. I hope it's London approved. Thank you. Oh, wait. It's London, baby. Okay,
Hi everyone, good evening, I'm Aya. Hi everyone, I'm Gwen. What's up, it's Joanna. Hi, I'm Colette. Hi CDO family, I'm Malone. Good evening, I'm Mika. Hi guys, I'm Sheena. What's up, I'm Stacy. And we are Beanie. Wow, grabe. Parang nung isang araw nasa Canada lang kaming girls, pero ngayon we are back! Nasa Pilipinas na kami ulit! Grabe! Kasi yesterday we just arrived from our world tour.
Hey! So talented! Go up!
Kailangan dito yung